Hi everyone, are you looking to create a stunning professional website but feeling overwhelmed about where to start? Don't worry, you are in the right place. Whether you need a website for your business, portfolio, blog, or personal brand, Wix makes it easy with its drag and drop builder and powerful design tools. In this video, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide to help you build a beautiful website from scratch. No coding or tech skills required. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional, eye-catching website ready to go live. So let's dive in and start building. Step 1. To get started, open your web browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type wix.com and press enter. You will see Wix official website at the top of the search result. Click on the link to visit the Wix homepage. Step 2. Once you are in the Wix homepage, look for the Get Started button. Click on it and you will be redirected to the login page. Step 3. If you already have a Wix account, simply enter your email address and password. Then click the login button to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up first. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Step 4. To sign up, follow these steps. 1. Enter your email address. 2. Confirm your email by typing it again. 3. Create a strong password. 4. Confirm your password by re-entering it. And the last one, click the sign up button to complete the process. Alternatively, you can sign up quickly using Google. Just click on the Continue with Google and it will automatically connect your Google account to Wix without requiring you to enter details manually. Step 5. Once you have successfully signed up or logged into your Wix account, Wix will ask you a few questions to personalize your experience. The first question is, who are you creating this website for? You will see several options such as for myself, for a client, for my business, and more. I am choosing for myself and then clicking continue. However, if you don't want to answer, you can simply click skip to move on to the next step. Step 6. Next, Wix will present you with two options for creating your website. 1. Start with Wix ADI. ADI means Artificial Design Intelligence. This option allows you to chat with AI, answer a few questions, and let Wix automatically design a website for you based on your preferences. 2. Start from scratch with the Wix editor. This option gives you full creative control, allowing you to design and customize your website manually using Wix drag and drop tool. Since I want to design my website myself, I am choosing the without chat option, which takes me directly to the Wix editor. But if you prefer a quicker process, you can select the AI chat option and let Wix create a website for you. Step 7. After this, Wix will ask you what type of website do you want to create. Here, you can select a category that best fits your needs, such as business, online store, portfolio, blog, personal website. If you want Wix to suggest templates based on your choice, you can select a category. However, I am choosing to skip this step so that I can explore all available templates on my own. Step 8. Once you have skipped or selected the type of website, you will be redirected to the Wix dashboard. Step 9. Now that you have reached the Wix dashboard, you will notice several options displayed on your screen. Some of these include one. Update your site. Allows you to modify and improve your website's design. 2. Design your site. Help you customize your website appearance. 3. Get found on Google. A feature that assists with SEO to improve your website visibility on search engines. 4. Connect your domain. Enables you to link a custom domain to your website. For now, ignore these options as our first priority is to upgrade the Wix plan to unlock premium features. Step 10. To upgrade your plan, locate and click on the upgrade button at the top of the dashboard. This will take you to Wix pricing plans where you will see 4 different options to choose from. 1. Business Elite, the most advanced plan with premium features, best for large-scale businesses. 2. Business, the recommended plan that offers great features for growing businesses. 3. Core, a balanced plan with essential tools for small businesses and professionals. And the last one, Light, a basic plan with limited features suitable for personal use. Among these, the business plan is recommended as it provides the best value with enhanced feature for website growth, including e-commerce tools, increased storage, and priority customer support. Step 11. Once you have reviewed the plans, select the one that best suits your needs by clicking the Select button under your chosen plan. You will then be guided through the checkout process where you can enter your payment details and complete the purchase. Step 12. Now that we have successfully upgraded our Wix plan, it's time to go back to the dashboard. Here, you will once again see multiple options and templates available for your website. Wix offers a variety of professionally designed templates, catering to different industries and purposes. For now, I am choosing the marketing agency template, but you can select any template that suits your needs. To do this, simply browse through the available templates, click on your chosen template to preview its design and layout. Step 13. Once you have selected a template, you will be taken to the preview page where you can explore the design and structure of the template in detail. On the left or right side of the preview screen, you will notice three device mode icons representing different screen sizes. PC mode shows how your website will appear on a computer screen. Tablet mode displays how your website will look on a tablet. Mobile mode lets you see the mobile-friendly version of your website. These preview modes are essential because they help ensure your website looks responsive and visually appealing across all devices, providing a great user experience for your audience. Step 14. After reviewing the template's design and responsiveness, the next step is to customize it. On the upper right side of the screen, you will see the Edit Templates button. Click on it to enter Wix drag and drop editor where you can start designing your website. Step 15. Now that we have entered the Wix editor, it's time to take a closer look at the powerful tools available for customizing your website. On the left hand side, you will find 11 key options that allow you to modify and enhance your website with ease. One. Add elements. Insert text, images, buttons, and more. 2. Layers. Manage and arrange different elements on your site. 3. Site pages. View, add, or remove pages from your website. 4. Visual site map. Get an overview of your entire website structure. 5. Site style. Customize fonts, color, and overall site aesthetics. 6. Gallery. Add image and video galleries to showcase your content. 7. Global section. Create sections that appear across multiple pages. 8. Apps. Integrate third-party apps to add more functionality. 9. My Business. Manage business tools like bookings, forms, and more. 10. CMS. Mean Content Management System. Organize and display dynamic content. And the 11th one. Code. Add custom code to enhance your website feature for advanced users. Each of these tools play a crucial role in shaping your website, allowing you to personalize every aspect to match your brand's identity. Step 16. To explore these features in greater detail, we will now switch to a fashion store template, which is ideal for demonstrating how Wix can be used for e-commerce website. Selecting a store template. 1. Go back to the Wix dashboard. 2. Browse the template library and select a fashion store template. 3. Click on the template to preview its design. And the last one, click the Edit button to open it in the Wix editor. Once inside the fashion store template, we will begin exploring and testing each feature to see how Wix tools can help in creating a professional and fully functional online store. Now, let's dive into these features one by one and unlock the full potential of Wix customization options. Now, exploring Wix editor features in detail. The Wix editor provides powerful tools that allow you to design, customize, and enhance your website easily. Below, we will explore each of the 11 key features on the left-hand side menu of the edition in details. 1. Add elements. The Add Elements feature is one of the most important tools in the Wix editor. It allows you to insert and customize different elements to bring your website to life. When you click on Add Elements, you will see various options such as 1. Text. Add and edit headings, paragraphs, or stylish fonts to make your content stand out. 2. Images. Upload your own pictures or choose from Wix free image and stock photo library. 3. Buttons. Insert call to action button like buy now, subscribe, or learn more to engage visitors. 4. Videos. Embed videos from YouTube, Vimeo, or upload your own video files. 5. Forms. Add contact forms, surveys, or sign up forms to collect information from visitors. Five. Forms. Add contact forms, surveys, or sign up forms to collect information from visitors. 6. Social media links, including social icons to link your site to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. 7. Shapes and lines. Enhance your website design with decorative elements. 8. Interactive elements. Add hover effects, slideshows, and animations for a dynamic experience. This tool gives you complete creative freedom to arrange and style elements exactly how you want. 2. Layers. The layers feature help you control and organize every element on your site. Think of it like stacking pieces of paper. Each element on your website is placed in a specific order. With layers, you can bring elements forward or send them backward to adjust visibility. Lock elements in place to prevent accidental movements. Group elements together for easier editing. Rename elements to keep your design organized. This is a crucial feature for design precision, ensuring that everything looks polished and well structured. Three. Site pages. Every website has multiple pages such as Home, About Us, Services, Contact, and more. The site pages tool let you view, add, remove, or reorder pages effortlessly. With this tool, you can create new pages and structure your site as needed. Rename and organize pages for better navigation. Set a home page to define your website's main landing page. Adjust SEO settings for each page to improve search engine rankings. Hide pages from the menu if they are under construction or not needed in navigation. This tool is essential for maintaining an easy to navigate website that delivers a seamless user experience. 4. Visual Site Map. The Visual Site Map gives you a complete overview of your website structure, helping you understand how pages are connected. Benefits of these features are: provides a clear hierarchy of all pages, help organize and rearrange pages easily, improve SEO structure by ensuring a logical flow of content, help prevent broken links by ensuring all pages are linked correctly. This feature is useful when managing larger website with multiple pages, keeping everything well structured. 5. Site Style. The Site Style section allows you to create a consistent look and feel across your entire website. Here you can choose global fonts for heading, subheading, and body text. Select a color scheme that align with your brand identity. Apply button and link styles for a professional appearance. Customize backgrounds with images. This feature ensures that your website looks visually cohesive, giving it a professional and polished appearance. 6. Gallery. The gallery feature allows you to add visually appealing images and video galleries to your website. You can choose from different type of galleries, including grid galleries, displays images in a neat, uniform grid. Masonry layout. Create a Pinterest-style layout. Slideshow galleries. Enable visitors to scroll through images. Full screen image display. Makes images stand out for portfolio or photography website. Add captions, hover effects, and animation to make galleries more interactive. Link images to other pages or products for better engagement. Optimize images for SEO by adding alt text and description. This feature is ideal for businesses, photographers, and designers who want to showcase their work beautifully. 7. Global sections. The global section feature allows you to create and apply consistent sections across multiple pages. For example, you can design a custom header or footer that appears on every page. Create a call to action banner that is displayed side video. Add a universal contact form that users can access from any page. This feature saves time by letting you edit sections once and have the changes automatically applied to all relevant pages. 8. Apps. The app section lets you integrate third-party tools and widgets to enhance your website capabilities. Popular apps include Live Chat, allow customers to contact you instantly. Online Booking, let users schedule appointments directly from your site. E-commerce tools, manage inventory, sales, and payment processing. SEO boosters, improve your site's ranking on Google. Social media feeds, embed Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter updates. This tool helps you expand your website functionality beyond just static pages. The app section is the Wix editor, is a game changer when it comes to enhancing your website functionality. Here, you will find a variety of apps designed to help you with marketing, social media integration, analytics, SEO optimization, and much more. By leveraging these apps, you can boost your website visibility, increase traffic, and even generate more revenue. Let's explore some of the key categories and how they can benefit your site. 1. Marketing apps. Marketing is a crucial part of growing any website or online business, and Wix offers a range of marketing apps to help you reach a wider audience. With these apps, you can create and manage email marketing campaigns to engage with your audience. Automate marketing tasks like sending promotional emails, discounts, or newsletters. Launch pop-up ads and banners to highlight special offers or new content. Run retargeting campaigns to bring back visitors who left your site without taking action. These marketing tools ensure that your website remains active, engaging, and continuously growing. 2. Ads and advertising apps. If you want to increase traffic to your website through paid advertising, Wix offers powerful ad management tools. With these apps, you can run Google Ads directly from your Wix dashboard, set up Facebook and Instagram ads to attract potential customers, track ad performance with real-time analytics, optimize ad spend to get the best return on investment. By utilizing these advertising tools, you can drive targeted traffic to your website and boost your conversion. 3. Social media integration. Social media is essential for brand visibility and engagement. Wix social media apps help you seamlessly connect your website to different platforms. You can embed social media feeds from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Add social sharing button so visitor can share your content. Enable live chat via WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger to interact with customers instantly. Schedule and automate social media posts to stay active on different platforms. By integrating social media, you can increase brand awareness and keep visitors engaged with your content. 4. Analytics and tracking. Understanding your website performance is crucial for making improvements and optimizing for growth. Wix offers a variety of analytic apps that allow you to track website traffic and visitor behavior. See how many people visit your site and what pages they interact with the most. SEO performance. Monitor your website ranking on Google, conversion rates, Track how many visitors turn into customers or subscribers. User demographics. Gain insight into your audience age, location, and interest. With Google Analytics and Wix built-in analytics tool, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance your website effectiveness. 5. SEO optimization. Search engine optimization is one of the most important aspects of website growth. Wix provides several SEO apps that help you optimize your site for better rankings on Google. With these apps, you can get step-by-step SEO guidance to improve your website search visibility, optimize meta titles, descriptions, and keywords for each page, generate an SEO-friendly sitemap to help search engines crawl your site, improve website speed and mobile friendliness for better rankings. Track your keyword rankings and compare them with competitors. By using these SEO tools, your website has a higher chance of appearing on the first page of Google search result, which means more traffic, more leads, and more revenue. 6. Earning more with Wix apps. With the right combination of marketing, ads, social media, and SEO, your website can become a powerful income generating platform. Here is how these apps can help you earn more money. Higher Google rankings, bring more visitors to your site. Increased traffic means more potential customers for your business. Optimize ads and marketing campaigns, help turn visitors into paying customers. Social media engagement brings brand awareness and loyalty. By fully utilizing Wix apps, you can grow your business, attract more visitors, and maximize your revenue potential. In conclusion, the apps feature in Wix is an essential tool for anyone looking to build, optimize, and grow their website. Whether you want to boost your SEO, run marketing campaigns, track analytics, or integrate social media, Wix provides everything you need to create a successful and profitable website. So, start exploring these apps today and watch your website thrive. The next one is My Business. Manage your online business efficiently. The My Business section is perfect for businesses looking to sell products, offer services, or schedule appointments. With this feature, you can manage online bookings for services, track customer orders and payments, handle subscription and membership, set up automated email marketing campaigns. The My Business section in Wix is a powerful tool. It allows you to efficiently manage and grow your online business, whether you're selling product, offering services, or accepting online payments. This section provides everything you need to run a successful e-commerce website. Let's explore some of the most important features in this section that will help you set up your online store, manage orders, and handle payment effortlessly. 1. Add products. One of the first and most important steps in creating an online store is adding products to your website. Wix makes this process simple and intuitive through the Add Product option. With this feature, you can upload product images and descriptions, showcase your product with high quality images and compelling descriptions, set pricing and discounts, define product prices and offer special discounts or promotions, organize products into categories, make it easier for customers to find what they are looking for, track stock levels, manage inventory efficiently, and receive alerts when stock is low, add product variations, offer different sizes, colors, or other customizable options. This tool ensures that your online store is well organized and visually appealing, making it easy for customers to browse and purchase products. 2. Shipping services. Shipping is a crucial aspect of running an e-commerce store, and Wix provides a dedicated shipping management tool that allows you to configure shipping and delivery settings. With the shipping services, you can set up different shipping methods, offer standard, express, or free shipping options, define delivery regions, choose which country or area you want to ship to, calculate shipping cost automatically, set flat rates, weight-based pricing, or region-specific rates. Manage local pickup options. Allow customers to collect their orders directly from your store. Set tax rates. Ensure that your customers are charged the correct tax amount based on their locations. This feature helps you streamline the entire shipping process, ensuring that orders are delivered smoothly and customers receive their purchases on time. 3. Get payments. To successfully run an online store, you need a reliable payment system that allows customers to make purchases easily. Wix offers multiple payment gateway options to help you accept payments securely and efficiently. With the Get Payments feature, you can enable multiple payment methods, accept credit, debit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. Set up recurring payments, offer subscriptions or membership plan for your business. Connect to Wix payment or third-party providers. Use Wix built-in payment solution or integrate external providers like Stripe or Square. Manage refunds and transactions. Easily process refund and track payments history. Ensure secure payments. Protect customer transaction with SSL encryption and fraud prevention tool. This feature provides a seamless and secure checkout experience, helping you increase conversions and build trust with your customers. The My Business section in Wix is not just about adding products, shipping, and payments. It offers a wide range of powerful features that can take your online business to the next level, from discounts and subscriptions to restaurant menus, reservations, events, and membership. Wix provides everything you need to create an engaging and customer-friendly experience. Let's dive into these exciting features and explore how they can help boost sales, attract more customers, and enhance user engagement. 1. Discounts, subscriptions, and coupons. One of the best ways to entice customers and encourage more sales is by offering discounts, subscriptions, and coupons. Wix made it incredibly easy to create and manage these promotions. With this feature, you can set a percentage based or fixed amount discount, offer 10% off, $5 off, or any custom discount to attract buyers, create limited time offers, boost urgency, and drive more purchases with exclusive time sensitive discounts. Offer bulk buy discounts. Reward customers who purchase multiple items with a special price. Generate coupon codes. Create unique promo codes for special campaigns, email marketing, or social media promotion. Introduce subscription plans. Offer monthly or yearly subscription for premium content, exclusive deals, or special services. These features help increase customer loyalty, encourage repeat purchases, and make shopping on your website more exciting. 2. Restaurant menus and reservations. If you own a restaurant, cafe, or catering business, Wix provides dedicated tool to help you showcase your menu and manage reservation effortlessly. With these features, you can create a digital restaurant menu, add high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and pricing for each dish, enable online food ordering, allow customers to order food for delivery or pick up directly from your website, manage table reservations, let customers book tables in advance through an easy to use reservation system, customize dining preferences, offer options for dine-in, takeaways, or curbside pickup. These tools help streamline your restaurant operations and provide a seamless experience for your customers. 3. Events, tickets, and bookings. If you run events, workshops, or online classes, Wix allow you to sell tickets, manage bookings, and organize events effortlessly. With these features, you can create and promote event, add event detail, images, and pricing on your website, sell tickets online, let visitors purchase tickets directly from your site, offer different ticket tiers, provide VIP access, early bird discounts, and group. Manage attendee list, keep track of registrations, and send event reminders. Host virtual or in-person events, whether it's a webinar, concert, or in-person seminar, Wix has you covered. These event management tools help you attract more attendees and provide a smooth registration process. 4. Member Area. The Member Area feature in Wix allow you to create a private space for exclusive members where you can offer personalized experiences, rewards, and premium content. With the Member Area, you can allow users to create personal profiles, let customers sign up and have their own accounts, create exclusive content for members, Offer premium blog posts, video courses, or special deals. Set up loyalty programs and badges. Reward active users with badges and special privileges. Enable member to member interaction. Allow users to connect, chat, or participate in forum. This feature is great for building a strong online community and keeping your audience engaged. In conclusion, the My Business section in Wix goes far beyond just selling products. It provides an all-in-one solution for managing discounts, reservation, event tickets, membership, and much more. By taking full advantage of these tools, you can enhance customer management, boost sales, and create a dynamic website that stand out from the competition. So start exploring these features today and watch your business thrive. Next is CMS, Content Management System. The CMS is a powerful feature for managing large amount of content. With CMS, you can create dynamic pages that update automatically, organize blog posts, product listings, or portfolios in a structured way, use database to store and manage information efficiently. The feature is great for blogs, e-commerce website, and content-heavy platforms. And the last one is code. For those with coding knowledge, Wix allows you to insert custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. With this feature, you can add custom animations and interactions, integrate external tools and APIs, develop unique web experiences beyond the built-in feature. This tool is ideal for developers who want full control over website functionality. In conclusion, Wix offers a comprehensive set of tools to help you build a fully customized professional website. By understanding and utilizing these 11 features, you can create a stunning, highly functional website that stand out. As we wrap up this journey of creating a professional website with Wix, I hope you have found this tutorial insightful and empowering. Remember, with Wix intuitive tools and powerful features, anyone can build a stunning website without any coding knowledge. Whether you are starting a business, showcasing your portfolio, or launching an online store, Wix offers everything you need to succeed online. From customizable templates to advanced business solutions, your website can truly reflect your vision and captivate your audience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials on website building, digital marketing tips, and business strategies. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I am here to help. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, stay inspired, and best of luck on your website building journey with Wix. Until next time, take care. Thanks for watching.